In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom Trello workflows. Whether you're managing a team project, organizing personal tasks, or streamlining your business processes, Trello is a powerful tool that can help you stay on top of everything. By creating a custom workflow tailored to your needs, you can visualize progress, track tasks, and ensure your projects run smoothly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step of setting up a Trello board that's both efficient and easy to use. Let's get started. First, open Trello on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on the platform, click the Create button. From the options that appear, select Board. This will be the foundation of your workflow, so give it a clear and descriptive title like Marketing Workflow or any name that reflects your project's purpose. Next, you'll want to create lists to represent the different stages of your work. These could follow a typical workflow such as backlog, to-do, in progress, review, and done. If your project has any unique needs, feel free to add additional lists. For instance, you might include blocked, on hold, or waiting to manage tasks that are delayed for specific reasons. Once your lists are created, arrange them in a logical order from left to right, so the flow of work is easy to follow. Now that your lists are in place, it's time to populate them with cards. Each card represents an individual task. Title each card clearly so that its purpose is immediately obvious. For example, if you're working on a marketing project, you might create cards like Write Blog Post or Design Social Media Graphics. Use the description field within the card to add detailed notes, context, or even user stories to provide more clarity on what the task involves. For tasks that have multiple steps, you can add checklists to break them down into subtasks. This is great for keeping track of progress within a single task. And if you need to include resources, Trello allows you to attach files, screenshots, or links directly to the cards, making it easy to keep everything in one place. To keep your board organized, use labels to categorize your cards. For example, you might use labels like High Priority, Feature, or Marketing. Choose colors and naming conventions for your labels, and make sure to stay consistent throughout the board. This makes it much easier for your team to understand what each card represents at a glance. Speaking of your team, assign specific team members to each card so everyone knows who is responsible for what. You can also set due dates for tasks to ensure deadlines are clear and manageable. These features make collaboration seamless. Now that your board is set up, let's talk about managing your workflow. Use the main board view for your daily task management. This is where you'll spend most of your time moving cards from one list to another as tasks progress. For tracking deadlines, you can switch to the calendar view. This is especially helpful if you're juggling multiple due dates at once. For long-term planning, Trello's timeline view is a great way to see how tasks and projects are spread out over time. And if you want to analyze workload distribution or identify bottlenecks, the dashboard view provides helpful visual insights. As your project evolves, it's important to keep your board tidy and relevant. Archive old cards regularly to prevent the board from becoming cluttered. Refine your lists and labels as needed to adapt to changes in your processes. And if you ever feel like things are getting too complicated, don't hesitate to simplify your board structure. It's always better to prioritize clarity. And there you have it. With these steps, you can create a Trello workflow that's customized to your needs and designed to keep your projects running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.